going to make is a sweet potato, and I've already diced everything up, as you can see here in the jar. And we're going to have some apples and some carrots. So apples, carrots, and sweet potatoes. That's the juice that we're going to have today. And then we're going to enjoy it in one of my favorite cups. This was made by an artist in Kansas. Anyway, let's get started. You want to start by, you always want to assemble your juicer. This is a Champion juicer. You want to assemble your juicer before you plug it in for safety reasons. And we want to start with our sweet potatoes. So what you're going to do is you're going to have one bowl that's going to go right under the juicer to capture the juice, and another bowl to capture the pulp. And I usually save the pulp and use it for different pasta dishes. Nothing goes to waste here. So we plunge this down in. So the juice comes right out at the bottom. I can show you what that looks like. I'm sure many of you are already familiar with that. So we pour this in, tamp it down. We want to add, I like to add one red apple and one green apple. This is great for breakfast. You can use this as a whole meal, especially if you add a piece of kale to it. I don't know how many of you are still drinking sodas, but this particular drink can actually replace a soda, and if you want something to give it a little bit of a fizz, you can add mineral water, or I like to add a lemon or a lime to it, just to give it an extra zest. So now we're putting our carrots in. And it really doesn't take much time at all to make this. Okay, pretty much done. So we're going to pour this into one of my favorite cups, as I mentioned. Now I like to strain mine. I don't like to have it so pulpy. Although if you like it pulpy, you can just leave it as it is. But I use a strainer. This is the type of strainer that I prefer to use. It's a real finely meshed strainer. And you're just going to pour that in through the funnel into the cup. Okay, cheers. Here's to good health and beautiful skin. Thank you for watching. See you next time at Coretha's Corner, where I like to say, save your money, make your own, save your life, cook at home. Thanks again.